Are you tired of unexpected fees when you need quick cash? If you use the Venmo debit card, you might be wondering exactly what it costs to pull money out of an ATM. Getting cash from your Venmo balance shouldn't feel like a guessing game. So let's break down the Venmo ATM withdrawal fee structure and, more importantly, how you can often avoid them entirely. First off, it's essential to understand that Venmo uses the MasterCard network, and they partner with a specific ATM network to offer a major perk, free withdrawals. If you use your Venmo debit card at any MoneyPass ATM within the US, you will not pay a transaction fee from Venmo. That's right, $0. MoneyPass has thousands of ATMs nationwide, so there's a good chance you have one nearby. Always look for the MoneyPass logo. Now, what happens if you can't find a MoneyPass ATM and need cash now? If you use a non-MoneyPass ATM in the US, Venmo charges a $2.50 ATM domestic withdrawal fee per transaction. And here's a crucial detail, that $2.50 is Venmo's fee only. The ATM owner, whether it's a bank or a convenience store, will almost certainly charge their own separate fee, which can be anywhere from $2 to $5 or more. So, that single withdrawal could cost you $5, $6, or even $7. The same $2.50 fee applies if you use your card for an international ATM withdrawal, and again, you'll also be subject to the ATM owner's fee. There's one other withdrawal option, an over-the-counter withdrawal, where you get cash from a bank teller who accepts MasterCard. Venmo charges a slightly higher $3 fee for this service. So, the takeaway is clear: if you want to avoid fees, stick to the MoneyPass network. You can easily find the closest MoneyPass location right within the Venmo app using the ATM locator feature. Keep in mind that there are also limits on how much you can withdraw. The daily limit for ATM and over-the-counter withdrawals on the Venmo debit card is typically set at $400. Understanding these fees and limits is key to making your Venmo debit card work for you. Check your Venmo app for the official details and that MoneyPass map before you head out. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.